$7 in his pocket. No job, no backup plan, but one quote flipped everything. And if you live by it, it could flip your life too. Success at anything will always come down to focus and effort, and we control both. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, 1995. Dwayne Johnson's dreams of playing professional football? Gone. He was cut from the Canadian League. No team wanted him. He returned home with just $7 in his wallet. Everyone thought it was over. He felt humiliated, empty, defeated. But instead of moaning, he locked in, he focused, and he worked harder than ever, because those were the only two things he had left: focus and effort. Wrestling in rundown venues for 30 pounds. Booed by the crowd, ignored by the industry. Still, he showed up every single time. No praise, no spotlight, just pain and purpose in silence. That $7 moment didn't break him, it built him. And today, that moment is branded into his empire. $7 Productions. Let's go back to that quote. Success always comes down to focus and effort, and we control both. What does that mean? Focus, chase 5 rabbits, you'll catch none. Stop scattering your energy. Pick one mission. Get tunnel vision. Effort, you don't rise to your goals. You fall to your discipline. No shortcuts. Put in the hours, even when no one's watching. The Rock didn't wait for a miracle. He built one with sweat and silence. Here's how you can apply this in your life. Step 1, choose one goal. Business, fitness, content. Pick one and mean it. Step 2, cut the noise. No distractions, no later. Just one target daily. Step 3, track your effort, not your likes. Keep showing up, views or no views, progress or pain. Step 4, find your $7 moment. Because everyone's got one, that low point. The question is, will it define you or build you? They laughed at him, they doubted him, but he didn't react. He responded, in silence, with discipline, with vengeance. So next time life tries to bury you, remember, you control two things: your focus and your effort. That's all you need to rise. Subscribe or stay average. The choice is yours. Silent revenge has begun.